Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues on the POCO M8. So if your devices are having trouble connecting to your phone, there are a few things that you can try to do. And the first one would be to just turn the Bluetooth on and off on the phone, and also trying to reset the device that you're trying to connect to your phone. So to turn it on and off Bluetooth, we're going to open up Settings, then go to Bluetooth, and then tap this Bluetooth toggle to turn it on and off. So now that you try that, try resetting the device that you want to connect with. Usually it's done by just holding the pairing button if you're trying to connect headphones, or just check the manual to see how to do that without a phone. So once you've done that and that still doesn't seem to work, what you can also try doing is changing the Bluetooth AVRCP version. So to do that, first off, we're going to have to enable the developer options. So we're going to tap on About Phone in the settings, and scroll down to OS version, and just keep tapping this option until the option to enter your password or PIN pops up. Just type in your PIN, and then you're going to have them enabled. Now, for me, it's already enabled, so this doesn't pop up. But once it's done, you're also going to have developer options enabled. Now, after that, what we're going to do is search up in the settings, because it could take a while to actually find this setting. We're going to just search up AVRCP. So there we go, Bluetooth AVRCP version. We're going to tap on that, and then we're going to tap on this option again, and just change to any of these options to see which one connects. So go from 1.6 to 1.5, 1.4, 1.3, and check if you can connect with any of these enabled. And that is pretty much it. That should help you fix it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.